this place I'm going to go fly with my wife right now. It's a place that's claimed multiple quads. Well, at least the trees there have. I don't know if I'm going to hit the trees or not. If I do, you're in for a treat if I don't crash. I've made this kind of an introduction before and haven't produced any video because either my quad got stuck in the tree and was there for a few days, or GoPro died, got smashed, something went horribly wrong. I think if we get today's footage, it'll be the first footage I show you guys of these trees. I don't know, man. It's just one of those, like, this fucking place drives me crazy because I can't fucking smash on it like I can everywhere else. It's like that first place I went to fly when I was first flying, and I had nothing but problems. I crashed my drone quite a few times. I always wanted to hit the trees because they were cool. Yeah. Caretaker does not like me. But anyways, here's the footage.
X-lite.